Ahead of the 4th of July, food for thought, courtesy of your Uncle Sam. Before you make those kebabs, make sure to separate the chicken from the veggies on the kebabs.
Separate raw meats from other foods by using different cutting boards. 3,000 Americans will die from food poisoning this year. Keep your family safer. Check your steps at foodsafety.gov.
All right, the chicken just got a movie deal, by the way. So now Big Brother is acting like our big mother. Monica Crowley says, oh, brother.
Hi, Neil.
It's nice, but kind of obvious. Or?
Well, let's point out first that this particular ad was done on a pro bono basis,
yes,
so no taxpayer dollars were used to make this
The chicken doesn't know that yet. The chicken doesn't know that.
But apparently the chicken already has a great agent and is cast in a Spielberg movie.
Exactly.
Look, what this points to is the fact that the government's priorities are completely off the wall. We are in a severe debt crisis in this country. We've got a 14.3 and climbing trillion-dollar national debt. We've got a 1.65 annual deficit. And yet the government is running around making ads about not letting your veggies touch your chicken.
Besides the fact that it's stating the obvious, and I'm happy someone did this pro bono, the government increasingly with policing menus and forcing dietary changes, which might be necessary for a lot of folks, period, not you, mind you, but says who?
It's not the government's role to do this, Neil. The other day, I was starving. I was walking down the street in New York starving, and I hadn't eaten all day, and I went into a restaurant, and all the calorie counts are there, courtesy of New York City government, New York State. The feds are getting involved in plastering the calorie counts, and it was a complete buzzkill. I wanted like a double-decker cheeseburger. I ended up not getting it. This is the government saying, we know better than you. We know what's good for your health.
I look at the 2,000 calorie count on that,
and you want it more?
It's that little?
You want it more.
So in other words, but that's the effect it has.
Yes,
right?
But it's also an example of government intruding into literally every nook and cranny of your life. This is what Obamacare was all about. If the government controls your health care, they literally control every single part of you.
But in this case, we're telling people, use a different cutting board, wash, clean up. It might be obvious to some. You're pretty smart. I'm borderline. A lot of people don't know that.
But
if it saves lives, is it good?
It's not the government's role to be doing this, especially
you would
when we
let
have
people die eating contaminated
That'll
chicken.
be the headline. Monica Crowley wants people to die.
Monica Crowley wants to kill people.
It's not the government's role to tell you to separate your chicken from your vegetables, okay? The government's role is to make sure we are operating in a fiscally responsible way, which clearly we are not, and to make sure that the American people are safe both internally with a police force and externally through national security policies. They should not be in the business of telling you what you can eat, where you should eat, what you should be doing in your own kitchen. And it's just part of a bigger narrative, Neil, because now we've got the government saying you can no longer use an incandescent light bulb in your house starting in January. They're telling us every which way, and I think the American people have had enough of that, which is why Republicans gained traction in 2012. They're saying, you know what, enough of the government in our lives. We want our freedom back.
So quit being so nice, quit being all these...
Stop trying to help us. Stop trying to help us, government. We can get along fine without you.
So what did you have when you went to that restaurant?
I went down the street to another restaurant, got a salad. Boring.
For goodness sake.
Totally boring.
All right, well, Monica Crowley, thank you very much. Always good seeing you.
You bet.
All right.